Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, January 8th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. So now it's time for the Jigsaw Sudoku number 7763. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 15 printed digits should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 2. The 2 should be here, the 1 goes and there. Yeah. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Let me check. No triple boxes. How about the quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Let me check. No quadra. Oh, here we have a quadra box. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Only 1 quadra box here. Well, my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. This box is the same number as that box. And here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Nope. No, well, another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Well, then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? That's the question. No, only one. Only one. Yeah. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. We have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the last shape, I believe, the L shape. Upside down, the L shape. Where you see the L shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, with only 5 of them that you need to recognize. The 6th one is, I believe, a Z or a S construction. Yeah. Anyway, we have here only 5. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, with only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Well, I have a number 2 there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. That means that those 2 boxes can be 3 or a 4. 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So the other pair should be the 1 and the 2. Okay, 1 and the 2. Alright. Here are 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Well, we have a double 4 here. That means that I cannot place the 4 here. The only place left for the 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Alright. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. Those 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 here. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be supposed to be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. And now. Ooh. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in, the 4 goes and there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for us. 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be 4 and 5. But we already have a 5 here in this area. So it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box. Should be so 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. This box can be 2, this box can be 3, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me think. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, 2 numbers left in this area from us. 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and the 3. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Oh, we already have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. The only place left for 2 should be there then. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 3 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. If you place a 5 here, I can fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Alright. This box can be 3. This box can be 4. So 3 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and the 4. So we eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Well, 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Alright. Is connected with that box should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. Let me think. Well. Well, this box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. Not the solution, place a 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there then. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes in there. Alright. Let me think. Wow. Well. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright, I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. The 2 numbers left in this area from us 1 and a 2. Let me mark those. 1 and a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 here. I marked those two boxes earlier with the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 4 to 5. 4 to 5 is connected with that box, so 4 to 5. Okay. Need a 3 here. In this area. Okay, so these two boxes can be 3. But also that box can be 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. Okay, these are 3 boxes. So around the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I need a 5 here. Yeah, this box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes, 2 out of 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. And it is connected with that box. So we're so 5. So 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area from us 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area from us 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 3. 3 to 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. And the last 2 numbers, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this again a 2 stars. Because I'm faster than 20 minutes. So it should be a two stars. If I'm faster than 50 minutes, then it will be a 1 star. And we solved again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.